You don't want this thing falling.
Smile! You like that?
Yeah.
Smile here. Look here and smile. Do the smile. Okay. Okay, open other ones now.
Here, Mommy. Open this.
Okay.
Hey, that one's from me, okay?
Okay. Wow.
I took it from online.
Then for me. Should I help? No, I do it. Then for me, right?
Little piece of
Oh.
Tell her what it is.
Dominic, what's that? My purse. And what's that? My purse.
See, from the other side.
Look, Dominic.
My purse. My purse.
Oh, it's upside down. Turn it around.
Purse.
See, you have a credit card. You got $6.25, 5 cents and 10 cents. And you got a phone, a card, some car keys, rings, bracelets, and earrings. Oh, and even a purse to put all that stuff in.
Smile! Big one. She pouts her lips. Let me tell her big one. Big one. Okay. Open more presents.
That one's from Mama.
That's for me. That's for you.
And this one says from Mama too. That one's from Mama. This one's from
Why did you write it on them?
We didn't. Only some of them. Because you threw away the stuff we're going to write on. This wasn't from you.
Can you not open?
Open it, darling. Open it. Oh, you got it. Turn it over. Turn it over. What's that? Smile. Big one, Daphne. A big smile. Really big. Okay.
Which one is this from? Mine.
From Mama.
For me.
Which one was from me?
It doesn't matter, they're all from us.
Open it, Daphne.
Okay.
Keisha!
My baby.
Look at that dog.
My baby.
Your baby.
Please not help her, Tommy. Alright, tonight. That's a baby. Open the baby, Ma. Before the baby. Get down. Open the baby.
Did you like the baby?
Yeah?
Smile then. How about a real big one? Smile. Big one. How about real big? Okay, that's enough.
How about me? How about me? How about me? You open the baby. You open the baby. Open the baby. Oh, you open the baby.
No, Keisha!
Smile.
Want me to open it for you, Dominic?
All four of you smile now.
Did you get it?
Smile, everybody.
Can I open up Tommy's?
Okay. Say happy birthday.
Happy
Do the dance, Daphne. Do your birthday dance.
Happy birthday to
Do your birthday dance. Birthday dance.
Happy birthday
Dance.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, enough. Alright. Okay, let's stop. No, get near it and blow.
Blow hard, Dominique. Blow hard.
More. More. Blow hard, dummy. Wait, let's see if you can do it better this way. Blow on it. Very good. Blow again. Blow on this one. Blow. More. Hard. Get near it. No, you put your face there. Yeah, do it now. No. Get up.
Get the fire.
Huh? Do it.
Are you scared of the candles?
Do it, dummy.
Yeah.
No, get up.
Okay.
Blow on it now. Get close to it. Get close.
Stand up, Dominique. Get close. Stand up.
You have to stand up. Yeah, do it now. Very good. Do hard. Get near it. Very good. You almost did it. Do it again. Hard. Very good. There you go.
One more, Dominique.
Hard. Hard. Harder.
Yeah, very good.
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dominique. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, you stand here.
How's the cake, Dominique?
Good.
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 You like the ice cream you picked out?
Yeah.
Wait, that wasn't me that I picked that. Just get what I said. Oh yeah, the ice cream.
Wait. What? How come?
Is it good, Rishi?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah.
I ate a turtle. We did.